Hi, I'm Christine Jones, creator of mUvmethod. mUvmethod is a conditioning program for dancers that specializes in weekly stretching made safe, easy, and effective. Today I will be taking Caroline through 2 stretches designed to help you improve your middle splits. Now, it is important to understand that middle splits can be affected by something we call skeletal restrictions. This is due to the size, shape, orientation, and placement of your bones. And when it comes to middle splits, the way your femurs or your thigh bones fit into your acetabulum or your hip socket will greatly determine whether or not you can or cannot do a full 180-degree middle split. But don't worry, even if you can't do a full 180-degree middle split, these stretches will still benefit you in so many ways, so make sure that you're stretching to move towards a middle split, but understand that it might or might not happen for you. And again, that's okay. The stretches I'll be taking Caroline through today are called Crescent Moon Variation as well as Frog. All right, I will be taking Caroline through a stretch called Crescent Moon Variation. This is a great stretch to do to help you improve your middle splits, as well as many other dance-specific skills that require flexibility in the inner hip and thigh. So Caroline, go ahead and come to table pose. That will be our starting point. Exhale, low lunge. Step your right foot forward between your hands, tuck your back toes, and lift your knee. Active position, so really turn on your front hamstring, engage your abdominals. Inhale, lower your back knee down, and then we're going to slightly turn out the leg. So the back foot will come towards your back angle of the mat. Knee is pointing towards the front angle of your room. Lengthen up, place your right forearm on your right thigh, and then just rest your left arm back behind you. As you inhale, engage your hamstring and lift up. As you exhale, release. Stay very active in the abdominals. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, release. You'll want to repeat 5 to 6 of these. Make sure you're not forcing the stretch or pushing the stretch. Stay active and breathe deep. When you're finished, release, come to a low lunge, plant your hands in front of you, tuck your back toes. You'll come back to table pose and then repeat the stretch on your left side. All right, I will be taking Caroline through a stretch called Frog. This is a great stretch that we do to improve middle splits, but it also works to just increase flexibility in the inner hip and thigh. So Caroline, go ahead and come to table pose. You'll start on hands and knees, and then exhale, just walk your legs out away from you. So knees go out, lower down to your forearms, flex your ankles, so we're gonna dorsiflex through the ankle. Hips and knees are in alignment. Knee and ankle are in alignment as well. Engage your abdominals, make sure you're not passively sinking into this position because we do want to keep the ligaments and the bone structure safe in the pelvis. Abs are engaged, breathe deeply here. You'll hold for 30 seconds. Make sure you're not forcing or pushing the stretch too hard. You do want to feel a sensation, but you should certainly be able to breathe through it. When you're finished, press up onto your hands and bring your knees back together and sit back.